Hi, this is Mike Netherton with PLS TV. In our PLS TV moment today, it's going to be about the Nora Quartz series, which has become a widely accepted product for electrical contractors and facility people. Okay? So it comes in 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch, and it's perfect for retrofitting existing incandescent, compact fluorescent, and HID downlighting. So let's take a look at the qualities of the product. First of all, we have selectable CCT. So 3000, 35, and 4000K. And then we have 4 lumen outputs to choose from. So in the 6-inch, it allows us to have a range of 900 lumens to 2100 lumens, which is a great range of product. Here we're showing the 8-inch with the white, standard white reflector. Has deep module regression, which gives excellent visual cutoff. You do not want to see the lamp source. So in professional environments where you have potentially our existing haze or silver trims, we have an accessory for all 3 sizes. You get 2 clips which press into the reflector about 180 degrees apart, and then we just friction fit the trim in, and it just recesses into a groove in the white trim itself. Next, we have our new construction pan. So now we can cross over and use this in new construction for a budgeted architectural downlight. Okay, this comes in 4, 6, and 8-inch. And when we go to trim the product, we simply install the retrofit unit itself. It comes with the whip and the box already attached, so this becomes our UL listed compartment. If you need to mechanically attach it, you then have this cord that you can fasten. This product is 122.77, 0 to 10 dimmable, wet location, a great solution for both retrofit and new construction opportunities. Tune in to our PLS YouTube channel for more videos and subscribe. Thank you.